Good evening, everyone. I'm meteorologist Catie McNeil. You've now clicked on the Weather Now link, and let's jump right into it. Taking a look outside right now, clear visibility, although we are still tracking very gusty winds across the area, and that's going to continue as we head towards your Sunday as well. The Patriots' final home game, final game of the regular season tomorrow. If you're heading up to Gillette, it's going to be a windy and a cold one, again, with those feel-like temperatures settling well below the actual temperature out there, with wind gusts up to 30-plus miles an hour. The good news is, as we head towards your Monday, wind gusts will finally start to subside a little bit. That not as much of a factor as we head towards Monday, but then kind of more breezy conditions again as we head towards next week here. More on a national scale here, we are tracking a big winter storm Blair, that's expecting to drop a lot of snow and also very icy conditions across the Midwest and the Mid-Atlantic. Now, the good news for us here in southern New England is, outside of maybe a few flurries down towards the coastal areas, we're expecting to avoid this storm entirely as it passes off to our south. But you can see these snowfall totals here in parts of Virginia, into North Carolina, and towards D.C. as well, approaching up to 2 feet of snow in some spots here. So with that, as we take a look locally, as we continue on into your Sunday, you can see these streamers of lake effect snow here. Some of these are reaching as far as interior Massachusetts, so can't rule out the slight chance of a flurry from that, but expecting that to mostly be contained into that interior part of Massachusetts and Connecticut. So with that, as we head towards your Sunday morning, we'll start off with plenty of sunshine. Some clouds will start to mix in towards the afternoon with partly to mostly cloudy conditions, and we'll continue to see those gusty conditions as well. So it'll be another below average, very cold day out there for the entirety of the day tomorrow. So with that, tonight, your forecast, cold night ahead, overnight lows settling in the lower 20s, with those windy conditions continuing, gusts up to 25 miles an hour, and that'll continue as we head towards your Sunday morning as well. Partly cloudy conditions mixing in, especially towards the afternoon, with your highs only approaching the lower 30s. So another below average day with those windy conditions will make way for a cold end of your weekend if you do have any outdoor plans. And again, as we head towards Monday, we could see some flurries down at the coast towards the overnight hours on Monday, but the larger part of that big winter storm is set to pass us to our south, so we're not expecting any accumulating snow from that system. And as always, you can get any updates anytime at WPRI.com.